So in this video, I'm going to show you how to grade student projects in Google Classroom and how organized and how to kind of navigate through the assignment and keep your grades neat and together. So here is your class page. This is what you see right when you log in. And here's your stream. You can either find the assignment in the stream, which would be right here, or for a little bit easier, you can go into classwork and then you'll see a list here of all of your assignments. If I click on book project, you will see the assignment that I posted here, and then 15 turned in, 19 assigned. So you can either click here, 15 turned in, and that will bring you to this page, and you could see all of the projects nice and neat right here. If you are ready to go ahead and grade the projects, you just click on the project that you would like to grade. And here is the image of this particular project. And this person submitted 2 images, the front and the back. And then if I click right here on grading, here are her questions that she answered right here in the comments. Sometimes students will upload, they prefer to type a Word document. They may include here an extra document that they upload as an attachment, and that would show up right here. Or they may just, upload stuff in the private comments. I don't care which way they get it to me, whichever they're more comfortable with. But that's how that works. And then you just enter the student grade right here, whatever grade you're going to give them, and then you can, right here, add a little private comment, very thoughtful response, or whatever you want to write to that student, and then you click post right here and return. And then the student gets a notification that their project was returned, and you're done. And then I'm going to right here, you can just scroll this way and it'll take you to the next one, or you can click here and it will list all the students who turned in their work. And then if you want to go back to your classroom, you just go up top to the tab, right back to the book project or to your classes, and you are done. Everything is nice and neat and all in one spot.